Hello everyone, this is Ayush R from IIT MADRAS. We are with our new topic, that is capillary rise or capillarity. The phenomenon when some liquids in a very narrow tube rises above, some liquid rises above, that phenomenon is known as capillary rise. For example, this is a refill, tan refill. So this refill rises when it is kept open. Why this rises? Because of some capillarity. This phenomenon in our fluid mechanics unit, this phenomenon is known as capillarity rise. The height which rises above is given by consider this is the radius of this hemisphere. We had consider one hemisphere in this tube, very narrow tube, one hemisphere, and the radius of this hemisphere is r. The density of this liquid column, okay, the density of fluid is rho, any liquid's density is rho, and acceleration due to gravity, g is acting downwards. Now we are done with our, and the surface tension acting here is T. Surface tension of the fluid is T. With the surface of contact the angle is theta. So how the value of height is given? The height is calculated by the formula h is equal to 2t cos theta by rho g times r. This is the formula for capillarity rise, and which is also known as Ascent formula. This formula is also known as Ascent formula. This formula is also known as Ascent formula. Thank you.